Hey everybody, it's Neil, and we don't want strangers in our neighborhood here, so we have a private property sign. So I'll show you guys what this is here. I'll take it all out and put it all together. Not going to be terribly difficult. We have the sign. I have some tape that got on me. Well, I'm going to live with the tape on me. Okay, and then we can put this in here. I guess one of these sides will go in. And then the next side, we have the connector here. And then the next side here, so that'll just going to cinch in. So it'll be a sign. And then we have the little spike that goes in the ground. So here we go. I'll take that little sticker off now. Okay, and there we go. We have private property, no trespassing. It is made out of good hard plastic, the whole thing, so it's not going to rust on you. It'll stay put. It'll last through the elements because it's nice and solid plastic. And this looks like, I don't know if it's a sticker printed on there, but it's on there really well. And it looks good. So this will go in our yard and it'll keep the random people out, I guess. That's the idea. So I like it. So as long as we have our sign posted, I guess this is what's going to give us our prediction a little bit for what it is. Thumbs up. I like it.